The manufacturing industry consumes a whopping 54% of global energy. Every product made, be it a car or a pen, requires energy, impacting both the planet and production costs. As sustainability gains traction in the industry, the search for solutions intensifies, and the brick production makes no exception. Its process requires substantial amounts of energy. So, the million-dollar question arises: how can we minimize energy consumption and adopt a more sustainable approach? Let's dive in and explore our solution. Introducing our collaboration with a big brick producer. Together, we're revolutionizing the brick production process to make it more energy efficient and sustainable. Harnessing the power of data and AI, we've developed a cutting-edge solution that balances critical trade-offs like energy consumption, product quality, and delivery timelines. For this, we used real and simulated data for our solution. Our system finds the perfect balance by considering factors like energy prices, temperature, and profitability. Based on IoT technologies, we're connected to the machines and extract valuable insights from machine data. By leveraging reinforcement learning, a branch of machine learning focused on maximizing cumulative rewards through intelligent decision-making, our AI agent expertly navigates the trade-offs by seeking the highest rewards. We've also developed a dashboard featuring streaming input and cost savings. This combination provides deep insights into the plant's operations, enabling us to make data-driven decisions in a dynamic and complex environment. By championing sustainability, trustworthiness, disruption, innovation, and collaboration, we're paving the way for a greener future. It's time to transform the industry and make a lasting difference.